Welcome to an exciting journey where we bring stories to life using AI. In this video, we'll take you through each step of creating a stunning AI-generated story with Magic Light. From scripting to final edits, get ready to turn your vision into reality. Let's begin. First, we will go to ChatGPT to generate our story script. Then open Magic Light AI and click on Create AI Video. Here we see a text box where we can paste our script. Carefully, we copy our story. The next step is selecting the right aspect ratio. Whether it's landscape for a cinematic feel, square for social media, Magic Light offers different video styles, from realistic visuals to animated graphics. Picking the right style helps set the mood and tone of our story. Once we have our style, we move forward by clicking Next. This takes us to the generation phase. Magic Light processes our input, transforming the text into a structured storyboard. We click Next again, and the AI begins working its magic. At this point, we return to ChatGPT to generate character names and descriptions. These details will add depth to our storytelling and bring each role to life. Using the AI-generated prompts, we now select the characters that best fit our story. These selections will influence how each scene unfolds and the overall feel of our video. Now it's time to pick a voiceover artist that enhances the narration. A good voice sets the tone and keeps the audience engaged from start to finish. With characters and voice finalized, all scenes are now fully generated. We take a final look to make sure every element fits perfectly. To refine our video further, we adjust the cover settings, add subtitles, and choose a background image that complements the visuals. These finishing touches enhance the storytelling experience. Everything is now set. We click Generate to let Magic Light render the final AI-powered video. This is where all elements come together seamlessly. Before sharing, we ensure our video has the right aspect ratio and then export it into our editing software for any last-minute refinements. And here it is, the final result. Our AI-generated video is complete.
Lived in his family's old house for as long as he could remember. It was a towering, time-worn mansion with creaky wooden floors, high ceilings, and a winding staircase that led to an attic no one ever talked about. But the most curious part of the house was the locked door on the third floor, a door that had no key, no explanation, and, most importantly, no one willing to discuss it. Whenever Arian asked his parents, they would brush it off. "It's just an old storage room," his mother would say. His father, always distracted, would mutter, "Nothing of interest there." But Arian noticed the way their voices tightened, the way his grandmother's expression darkened whenever the door was mentioned. One evening, while playing alone, Arian heard something, a soft whisper, almost like the wind, but different. It came from behind the locked door. He pressed his ear against the wood, and for a moment, he could swear he heard a child's voice murmuring his name. Determined to uncover the truth, Arian searched the house for clues. In the dimly lit library, he found a dusty old journal hidden behind a row of forgotten books. The cover bore a single name, Ragav. Flipping through the brittle pages, Arian realized it belonged to a boy who had lived in this very house decades ago. The journal started with innocent tales of childhood adventures, secret hiding spots, and nights spent watching the stars from the attic window. But as the entries continued, the tone grew darker. Ragav wrote about strange noises, whispers in the night, shadows that moved when no one was looking. Then, on the very last page, Arian found a chilling warning. If you're reading this, you must have found the door. Whatever you do, never open it. It watches, it waits, and it only takes one mistake to set it free. Arian's heart pounded as he read those final words. He looked up, his breath shallow. The house was silent, too silent. And then, as if in response to his discovery, a soft click echoed down the hall. The door was
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.